Folks, this is not a joke. The penny stocks I'm going to tell you in this video are the most hottest penny stocks right now, and buying them right now is like buying Palantir before it explodes. Don't miss this opportunity. These are the coin you want on your list. Each of these stocks are exploding in their industries. So before we start this video, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the hottest stocks in the market that could transform your financial future. The first stock we are focusing on today is Tron Incorporated, trading under the ticker symbol Tron on the Nasdaq, and this company has quickly become one of the strongest digital asset holding firms in the public market space. Unlike most penny stocks that simply tell a story, Tron Incorporated is building one backed by revenue, backed by real profitability, and backed by massive shareholder confidence demonstrated by its recent capital injections. Tron Incorporated has strategically positioned itself as a digital asset holding and development company with a major focus on accumulating Tron ecosystem assets, such as TRX and Stake TRX, STRX. These assets generate yield, compound over time, and create a powerful financial engine for the company. While many penny stocks struggle with debt, dilution, or inconsistent performance, Tron Incorporated has done the opposite. It has strengthened its balance sheet, increased its asset base, tightened its expenditures, and delivered one of the most impressive financial turnarounds in the sector. The company's most recent financial report for the third quarter of 2025 shocked the market with its strength. Tron Incorporated reported net income of $12,174,266 for the quarter. To understand the magnitude of this accomplishment, you have to look at the previous year's numbers. During the same quarter last year, the company posted a net loss of $1,128,872. That means the company didn't just improve, it completely reversed its trajectory, shifting from loss to significant profitability in just 12 months. Investors pay close attention to these kinds of financial shifts because they often signal the beginning of multi-year growth cycles where a company transitions from survival mode to expansion mode. And with each quarter of profitability, investor confidence grows, trading volume increases, and price momentum begins to build. But what truly sets Tron Incorporated apart is its powerful financial foundation. The company ended Q3 with more than $239 million in shareholders' equity, a number that demonstrates its incredible balance sheet strength for a stock trading at the penny level. This equity is backed by a diverse and strategically curated asset base that includes cash, cash equivalents, digital assets such as TRX, and Stake TRX generating compounding rewards. When a company has this kind of asset support behind its stock price, it gives investors a level of security rarely seen in penny stocks. It means the company isn't surviving on borrowed money. It isn't burning through cash without returns. It isn't relying on hype. Instead, it is building real value quarter after quarter through a disciplined approach to digital asset investment. The second stock on our list is one of the most unique digital asset equities in the stock market, DeFi Development, ticker symbol DFDV. This is a Nasdaq-listed company that has completely transformed its identity from a traditional business into a pure Solana-focused treasury accumulation company, effectively giving investors equity exposure to one of the fastest-growing blockchains in the world, Solana. DFDV is not simply holding SOL tokens. It is actively accumulating them, staking them for yield, and operating validator infrastructure that earns the company additional rewards. This means that as Solana grows and as staking demand increases, DFDV benefits automatically through compounding rewards and increased fair value gains. The company's recent financial report was blockbuster. DeFi Development Corporation reported a significant $74 million gain from digital assets in the third quarter of 2025 alone and $96 million year-to-date, reflecting both strong market conditions and highly strategic asset allocation. These gains came despite the company's temporary filing delay due to an IT issue, which management clarified does not affect its ability to use Form S-3 in the future. This demonstrates strong regulatory compliance and operational stability, both of which are crucial when dealing with public market digital asset exposure. Beyond blockchain, DFDV also operates an AI-powered real estate platform, offering subscription analytics and data services to property professionals, creating an additional revenue stream and diversifying the company's long-term income potential. Analyst sentiment for DFDV is overwhelmingly bullish. According to 3 analysts tracking the stock, the average 12-month price target is $35, with the highest target at $45 and the lowest at $25. Considering that the current stock price is just $6.87, the average price target alone represents an upside of more than 409%. Analysts believe this upside exists because DFDV continues to expand its SOL treasury, stake more tokens, strengthen its validator infrastructure, and benefit from the enormous growth of the Solana ecosystem. And last on our list is a company experiencing one of the most impressive financial turnarounds seen in the penny stock sector. Dominari Holdings, ticker symbol DOMH. Dominari is no longer just a traditional financial services company. Instead, it is evolving rapidly into a next-generation digital asset powerhouse, merging investment banking, wealth management, and blockchain advisory services under one expanding umbrella. The company has launched a dedicated crypto advisory board to spearhead its entry into decentralized finance, blockchain integration, and asset tokenization. It has also formed strategic partnerships with major players, including Tron, and has helped facilitate and fund major transactions in the digital asset space. Dominari's recent financial performance shocked the market. The company's total revenue surged an unbelievable 1,157% year-over-year in the third quarter of 2025, reaching $50.82 million. This massive spike was driven by a booming demand for underwriting services, which generated $32.74 million alone, alongside an additional $8.88 million from commissions. Revenue also came from advisory and management fees at $269,000. Carried interest fees totaling $8.70 million, and other supplemental revenue streams. This explosive growth reflects a powerful rebound in the broader financial sector and showcases Dominari's ability to capitalize on high-value deals, complex structures, and capital markets opportunities, operations that are increasingly blending with digital assets and blockchain-native organizations. But the real story lies in Dominari's earnings. The company returned to major profitability in Q3 2025, delivering earnings per share, EPS, of $8.11 compared to a loss of 67 cents in the prior year. That's a jaw-dropping 1,310% positive swing in profitability. Even more impressive, net income came in at $126.08 million, a massive reversal from a $4.21 million loss in Q3 2024. This represents a staggering 3,094% improvement. For a company that has spent 13 straight years reporting losses in the same quarter, this dramatic comeback signals a new era for Dominari. With a current stock price of just $4.74, many investors believe the stock is severely undervalued relative to its growth rate, financial stability, and increasing presence in the digital asset market. As the company continues to expand its advisory services, support major blockchain initiatives, and leverage its new strategic partnerships, Dominari could be one of the most powerful turnaround plays in the entire market. Its strong balance sheet, massive revenue growth, and adoption of forward-thinking blockchain strategies suggest it could easily climb well above $5 and position itself as a leader in next-gen financial services. Well, that concludes our list of 2,111% gain. 3 penny stocks quickly soaring past $5 a share that have the potential to transform small investments into massive financial opportunities in the coming months. Each of these companies, Tron, DeFi Development, and Dominari, brings a unique combination of strong fundamentals, accelerating financial performance, major ecosystem partnerships, and rapidly expanding future potential. These are the types of stocks that early investors look back on years later and say, "I'm glad I got in before the rest of the world noticed." If you found this analysis valuable, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the hottest stock opportunities that could change your financial future.